This may surprise you, but there's an Indian connection to America's B-2 bombers that attacked Iran's 3 nuclear sites. एक बंदा 3 देशों का गेम बदल गया। नौशीर गोवाडिया, एक इंडियन बॉर्न इंजीनियर जिन्होंने डिजाइन किया B-2 बॉम्बर का द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल पार्ट, उसका इनविजिबल प्रोपल्शन सिस्टम। ये वही सिस्टम है जो B-2 बॉम्बर को रडार और हीट सेंसर्स में डिटेक्ट नहीं होने देता। टोटल स्टेल्थ मोड। Born in 1994 in Bombay in a Parsi family, Gowadia is said to have earned a PhD by the age of 15 and moved to US at 19 to study aeronautical engineering. Later, he joined Northrop Grumman, the company that built B-2 bombers. पर 1986 में rare blood disorder के चलते he had to leave. फिर क्या? हवाई में एक विला लिया, बड़ा लोन, EMI pressure on point. And then 2003 में a secret partnership began between China and Gowadia. He traveled there 6 times. His job was to build an exhaust nozzle that reduced infrared and radar signals, very similar to that of B-2 bomber. He received $110,000 for his support. सारे loans clear हो गए, पर इतने बड़े amount का transaction was flagged by the revenue officials and the FBI. FBI को मिला 500 pounds of evidence from his Hawaii home, emails, blueprints, drives, सब कुछ। 2010 में 4 महीने के ट्रायल के बाद he was sentenced to 32 years of jail. Today, he's 81 years old and still in jail. चाइना ने H-6 aircraft upgrade तो किया है, but let's be real, it still cannot match the range and stealth of B-2. But Govadia's contributions did give China a technological edge. ऐसे strategic bombers सिर्फ 3 countries के पास हैं, USA, Russia and China. From a genius to a spy, Nashir Govadia's story is straight out of a Cold War thriller.